We just had our dinner here in Tokyo. This is Dex. Ito pala yung Dex na department store. Yan. Buti wala ng ulan, no? Pag kanina, yung fireworks na 7 p.m. This is Dex. Okay. Nandun yung bridge, yung fireworks. Suntory. The streets of Tokyo. Saan na ba to? Basta this is the road facing Dex. Medyo malamig yung weather. We just arrived here from a long trip, long drive kanina, no, from Fuji, Mount Fuji. Ito yung Tokyo skyline on a rainy day. Magkuhan tayo niya? Station? Mag-load ba tayo? Hindi.
No na.
Okay na.
Going here from the
1,000. Yan.
Ha?
400 pesos per person.
Going here one way.
Yeah.
So 800 ang total ang gastos natin.
Yan. Ngayon? Go back and forth?
Yeah.
Per person yan.
Okay. Ano pa 20k? Galing sa
Uy! Hindi pala yung train, no? Sa taas. Galing. Yun yung Dex. Now we're going here. Going this direction. Ito yung pababa.